for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Panamera. As you can see, Porsche didn't experiment with the car's design. They stuck with the Porsche philosophy that form should follow function. Nothing else would have made sense. Nothing else would have produced a four-seater Porsche. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.